Hi everyone! Today we will talk about how to clean stove knobs. Many people simply wipe the top with a cloth and think the job is done. In reality, grease gets inside the knobs, underneath them and clogs up all the crevices. As a result, the knobs look clean on the outside, but they turn hard, stick when pressed and cause inconvenience while cooking. Now I'll show you how to fix this, and at the same time we will clean the crevice where grease also collects. For proper cleaning, the knobs need to be removed. It's easy, just grab the knob firmly and pull it towards you. If it's covered in grease, you will have to apply more force. If you can't remove it, check your stove's instructions to see if the knobs are removable. Hold the knob while removing it, as there is a spring inside that may pop out if you pull too hard. The spring is responsible for returning the knob to its original position. We will be cleaning the knobs by soaking them. If the spring is removable, it is best to remove it and not submerge it in the solution. Mine is theoretically removable, but I didn't do so to avoid damaging the plastic fittings. A short soak in the solution won't harm them. By the way, I showed a similar method in one of my previous videos. I also left the spring in the solution and everything worked out perfectly. I will leave the link to the video in the top right corner. Now let's prepare the cleaning solution. We will need 1 tablespoon of dry mustard powder. Pour a cup of boiling water into it. And stir well. Immerse the knobs in the solution and leave them for 30 minutes for heavy soiling, 15 minutes for moderate soiling. After soaking, use a toothbrush to scrape away the grease. For deep crevices, a toothpick is easier to use. Mustard powder softens grease deposits, making them easy to remove even from hard-to-reach areas. The entire cleaning process took me about 2 minutes, no harsh chemicals were used, and the results were excellent. Then rinse the knobs thoroughly and dry them well. Now let's take a look at the stove panel under the knobs. Grease also accumulates there. To prevent the cleaning solution from staining the oven glass while cleaning the knobs, cover it with newspaper or a towel. First, dampen the stovetop surface with a damp cloth or sponge. Then take a sponge with a drop of dishwashing liquid and use the soft side to scrub the stained areas. For heavy grease stains, soak paper towels in the mustard solution, apply them to the stovetop and let them sit for 5 minutes. The next tool is wooden sushi chopsticks. It sounds unexpected, but they are a really convenient and safe way to remove grease. They remove dirt effectively, don't scratch the surface and won't erase any writing. Important: both the chopsticks and the stovetop surface should be damp, then everything will come off easily. Wipe the stove with a damp cloth, washing off any remaining product. And wipe the surface dry. The crevice above the knobs is best cleaned with a toothbrush and dish soap, or a brush dipped in a mustard solution. The results will be excellent. Once everything is clean and dry, replace the knobs. If the spring was removed, don't forget to reinstall it. That's it. The stove knobs turn easily again and nothing sticks or gets stuck. Friends, if your stovetop knobs are also covered in a greasy film, Try this simple natural remedy. It's inexpensive, safe, and works better than many expensive store-bought products. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe, there is plenty more to come. See you in the next video.